Hey, what's up guys? Ahmad Romero here, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today's property is located at 2911 Northwest 24th Street, Fort Lauderdale. Today's property features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and its own laundry room. Let's go check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Come inside. Now, when you walk into this house, I just want to warn everybody, okay? This house was built in 1971. It's complete original, and yes, wood panel walls throughout the whole entire house. So right here, as you can see, you definitely have the living room space. This house does not have central AC. It does have the AC wall units. As you can hear, the AC is on and it's cold. Do you feel how cold it is in here? That's why I had to wear my jacket. Once again, this house features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. You have the living room space right here. You have the kitchen that I'm about to walk in right now. And this kitchen is pretty unique because it actually has 2 entrances to the kitchen. So if you have kids, running around, they could play tag in here, hide and go seek. It's a pretty neat kitchen, right? Because you have an opening right here, and then you have an opening right there. You have the wood chocolate cabinetry, okay guys? The kitchen's missing the microwave or the refrigerator, but that's quick. Go to Brandsmart. There's some good deals going on right now. Even though this house says that it's 1,250 square feet, it actually seems a lot bigger. You have the first bedroom right here, guys. Every room has its closet. So again, this is a nice little room right here, all right, for kids or for whatever you want to do. You have the second bedroom right here. You have the bathroom right there. You have a closet right here. You have another bedroom right there. Then you have here the master bedroom. Again, this house doesn't have any central AC, but it does have AC. You have the wall unit right here, right behind me. You can hear it, right? And it's cold in this room, trust me. I have the bathroom right there with the walk-in shower. I'm telling you, investors, you better call me because this house is not gonna last. We, Team Absolute Top Dollar, Ahmad, Carolyn, Nicole, we actually help people and specialize in probates and foreclosures. We specialize in those type of properties. So as you can tell, this house, again, is complete original. The person passed away, they pass it on to their kids, and the kids want to go ahead and just sell the property. This is what we do. We help people in these type of situations. We specialize in probates and foreclosures. Our job is to try to help you keep the property if you're in the foreclosure process. But if for whatever reason you don't get the loan modification approved, or you can't come up with that one big payment that, the forbearance that you put your house on, and you can't afford to actually put that one lump sum, we're here to help you. So all you gotta do is reach out to us. We can help you in these situations. This house is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,250 square feet, but it seems a lot bigger, as you can see. Also, the lot size is 6,500. You got the shingle roof. You also have the carport right outside. You have the circular driveway. And this neighborhood is a very nice, quiet neighborhood. The homeowners in this neighborhood actually do a great job upkeeping with their lawn, with their landscaping. I mean, it's a really nice, quiet neighborhood. You also have all the major highways. You have the turnpike. You got the swap shop right up the street, guys. So if you're looking for deals on anything, all you gotta do is go to the swap shop. Now, guys, why don't you come outside? Do not sleep on this opportunity. All you investors out there, trust me, you are going to want to get this house. You're gonna wanna put an offer in because this house will not last. Again, guys, this house is going for $275,000, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. And another thing I wanna share with you guys is that this sign right here, right above me, laugh every day. That's it, man. That's the secret recipe to my life. You gotta laugh, man. Have fun. And I want you guys to call me, okay? Because the price is right, okay, guys? So thanks a lot for hanging out with me today. Once again, my name is Ahmad Romero, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Have a great, great day, all right? Love you guys. Call me.